In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Airtable Rollup field, Airtable tutorial for beginners. A rollup field is a powerful way to summarize information from linked records. Think of it like this. You have an orders table and an order items table. Each order can include several items, and each item has a price. With a rollup, you can automatically total the prices of all items linked to a single order. No manual math, no copy pasting. Before we begin, make sure your two tables are already linked. In the orders table, there should be a linked record field that points to order items. You'll know it's a linked record field if it shows connected records and uses Airtable's link icon. If that's in place, you're ready to create the rollup. Open your orders table and click the plus button to add a new field. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it at a glance. Something like total order amount works well. For the field type, choose Rollup. This tells Airtable that the value will be calculated from the records connected through a linked field. In the rollup settings, first select the linked record field that connects orders to order items. Next, choose which field in the linked table you want to summarize. For example, the price field. It's important that the field you're summarizing is a number or currency type so the math works correctly. Now for the rollup formula, use sum values. That's exactly how you'll type it. SUM, then parentheses, and the word values inside. The values placeholder represents the list of prices from all the linked items for that order. Sum adds them together and returns a single total for each order row. Click Save, and your new field will populate automatically. Try opening an order that has multiple items linked. You should see the total update instantly. If you add or remove an item or change a price in the order items table, the rollup recalculates in real time. No extra clicks needed. A couple of quick tips to keep things clean and accurate. Make sure the price field in order items is consistently formatted as a number or currency, and avoid mixing text with numbers in that field. If you want the rollup to display as currency, Airtable supports number formatting so totals are easy to read. And while sum values is perfect for totals, remember that rollups can also use other functions like min or max when your needs change later. That's it, you've created a reliable, automatic total using a rollup. It's simple, fast, and scales beautifully as your data grows.